What do I need to do to get started on a personal injury claim if I have been in an accident involving a truck in Woodland Hills or the Los Angeles area? Attorney John Rosenberg explains. The first thing you want to do after you have been in a collision is determine if you or anybody else is injured and call an ambulance. You should also demand that law enforcement can come to investigate the collision and write a report to document all parties involved, witnesses, and the facts that will help you establish how the collision occurred and who is at fault. Exchange information with the other driver. Get driver's license information, the license plate number of the tractor and even trailer being pulled. Insurance information and police information. Licensing information painted on the side of the truck and photos showing the name of the trucking company painted on the tractor and trailers. Document the accident by taking photos of all vehicles involved from multiple angles, making sure to document the damages to all the vehicles, debris in the roadway, the position of the vehicles where they stopped after the collision, and picture of the roadway and the surrounding area. Report all injuries to the police and give them a full statement of what occurred. If you are injured, make sure to include that in your account to the police. If you are injured badly enough to require an ambulance ride to a hospital, take the ride to the hospital. Do not speak with or give a statement to any insurance representative for the other party until consulting with your attorney. Lastly, call an experienced attorney to discuss your case, to understand and learn what your rights are and what needs to be done to pursue your claim for damages without making mistakes that could cost you thousands to even millions of dollars. At the law offices of John P. Rosenberg, we work hard to ensure that in the wake of your accident, you're financially taken care of and able to move forward to a brighter future.